Alright, in this video we're going to talk about the things you should do before you upload a big project to YouTube, to your boss, anywhere basically. Any big video project, these are things you're going to want to do and double check before you send it out to your client and it's a finished product. So if you do these steps when you're finishing a project, you can be certain that it's the best it can be and it's ready and there's going to be no hiccups along the way. Number one is double checking your color correction. Not only do you want to double check on multiple screens, see how it looks on your phone, see how it looks on the TV, because what you're editing on, you're color correcting on, might be like a nice monitor, it might be calibrated. Most people, they're not using something calibrated, they're not using something nice. So you want to double check on different screens what it looks like. If you're uploading to YouTube, upload it unlisted to YouTube or private it to YouTube because you want to see what it looks like after YouTube compresses it with its H.264 codec, just crushing the blacks and kind of bring down the quality overall. You want to see what that looks like since that's going to be the final product if it is a YouTube video, and you want to double check it again on your phone, on a nice TV, on a bad TV, on your friend's monitor, on your monitor. Basically, the more the better, and you really want to make sure the color is it's probably not going to be consistent on some things, but you want to make sure it doesn't stand out as terrible on a few of those things. Number two is kind of the same thing, but for audio, you want to double check it. So if you're editing or sound mixing with speakers, you want to then put headphones on, nice over your headphones, and you want to see what it sounds like there. And then you want to play it off a TV speaker, then you want to play it off your phone and see how the audio is on all of them. Make sure you're not peaking, keeping it at a -2 decibel would be perfect, at least for the high points. Double check it after uploading to YouTube if it's a YouTube project as well. Make sure it sounds good. Number three, when you have your file ready to go and you're happy with it, I would send it to a few trusted friends or trusted editors that you know. Just get them to not give you a full breakdown because a lot of people don't want to spend the time to fully break down one of your videos. Maybe a few people will, but after a while they might not. So just say, hey, watch this and let me know if something jumps out to you or something takes you out of the video. They'll let you know basically like too much of this here, too much of that there. And remember, like, it's your video. You don't have to do what they say, but it's good to hear. So that's why you can send it to people that aren't editors and just have like a random Joe watch it. And if he says that, be like, okay. And then if a few people say the same thing, then maybe you should question like, oh, should I alter that part, change that part? Yeah, take it all with a grain of salt and move on from there. Maybe you'll do changes, maybe you won't. Number four is less with the quality of it, but just building kind of like the marketing of the hype. When your video is good and ready, you want to then promote it on social media. But when you're doing so, you don't want it to seem like spam. You don't want to just be hitting people with, here's my new video, here's my next video, stuff like that. Sell the video without making it too spammy. So maybe don't post all of them, but if you have a big video, be like, hey, I'm really proud of this. Tweet something out that really adds to people or pulls people in without being too spammy, because no one wants spam. You can go on Reddit, find a subreddit that's like a part of the niche you're in or whatever your video is about. You could post it on there. Again, try not to spam people. Obviously Twitter, Facebook, if it's something you want your friends and family to see, even though some might not be. The main thing is just make sure you're really wording it properly so it's not spam and you're bringing in the right people. Sometimes it's not better to have just a bunch of clicks when people click it because they've seen it on your social media, then they're like, this isn't for me, they click off. It's better on YouTube especially to have longer views. Watch time is really what matters. So maybe don't spam. Just post it to the right audience so you're not clickbaiting people that are just clicking on, clicking off because you want that longer view time. Number six is also going to be highlighted. Don't spam, but it's okay to ask for people to share it. If it's something you're proud of, you have a lot of friends and family that will share it. They're proud of you, they like the video, or it's something they enjoy and they're not friends and family, they'll retweet it. Basically, it's okay to ask, just don't spam. The main thing, don't spam, but just ask nicely. So those are the things I like to do before sending out a video and kind of right after sending out a video. And I'm talking about big projects, like not a YouTube video like this. I mean like a big montage, a big music video, a documentary, like a big project I've been working on. These are the exact steps I go through in making sure that it's the best it can be. I got several eyes on it. I checked the color, I checked the audio, and now I'm promoting it myself without spamming people. All right, guys, hopefully that's been helpful, and let me know if I forgot a step. Is there something else you do when you're about to post a video or you have posted a video? Is there something I should learn from? Because I feel like there should be more steps there, but those are my steps. Thanks, guys.